Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, I'll show you to set up your phone to transfer data. Between your older phone to your newer phone. So of course this is the older phone and of course it's the newer phone during the setup process. Now of course go ahead and set up your phone. You're going to select the language, you're going to select the agreements, agree to them. Then of course there's going to be a first screen that says transfer by QR code. You're gonna hit next and do not use that method. And of course, you're gonna reach this screen that specifically says copy apps and data. All right, so once you're on the copy apps and data screen as seen here during the setup process, first you'll know you're at this screen because first it asks for the wireless connection, meaning you're connected to your Wi-Fi. And of course, on this device over here, you should see the screen, which is the newer device. All right, so this is one is nearby and it's connected to the network that you're going to do the transfer. You can also use a cable that's included in your package as well that has two USB ends. You're going to hit next. And it says use another device. You need an Android device, iPhone or iPad. All right, so of course we're going to use another Android device. This is Android. We're going to hit next. And it says copy your data. We use Smart Switch app to copy your apps and data from your older device. So we're gonna hit agree. And of course it's gonna show you all of these. You're gonna hit allow. And it's asking you select a source. Now of course we're gonna say the source is Android. And of course it's gonna say wireless. And here it gives you a QR code to scan, so it gets connected. All right, so on your device over here, you're gonna select your camera. All right, you're gonna tap. And as you can see here, it says connect to transfer your data. All right, here's the transfer your data. I'm gonna hit connect. So it says connecting. Alright, so it says keep both devices as close as possible. As you can see here, it says keep two devices close for smooth data transfer. Alright, so you can see the percentage of what's happening. Alright, so it's going to take a little while, so I might have to do this video in two parts or pause the video and come back in a little while. Yeah. Alright guys, so you'll be at this screen next where it says do you want to transfer everything. So it shows you it will take about 26 hours and 40 minutes, or just the calls, contacts and messages. So of course you can choose a total transfer. Bear in mind the storage capacity of a newer device versus the older device, and of course the more nimble option will be to do the key stuff, which is your calls, contacts and messages, which is more convenient. Everything would involve, for example, if you have a whole ton of pictures, you can skip to just the account. All right, for this video or for this situation, we're just going to transfer the just the accounts, calls and so on. So there's a seamless transition. All right, so we're going to leave out the majority of those things, which are pictures, especially when the older device has a SD card that would store those pictures. This is an internal storage device. This one uses a SD card, so we do not want to transfer the bulk of the information. All right, so you do get the idea. So we're gonna hit next. All right, it says transfer your accounts. Of course, it's doing that. All right, so it says copy your new device. We're gonna say copy. Now, of course, for security reasons, just in case somebody tries to copy your phone, it does ask for the password. All right, so we have entered the password. We're gonna hit continue. All right, so of course, do not worry about somebody trying to copy your phone or cloning your phone using this method. It does bear into mind all of that. and of course it will send your account the appropriate security emails to tell you that somebody is using your current phone to try to copy to your other phone. So should somebody get your password, once you have everything up, you should be good. So I'm going to hit next. It does show you the accounts that you're adding as well, as I just seen. Alright, so it says to protect your phone, and of course it's still saying transfer in here. So it will ask for you to place in your security to protect your new phone. I'm going to use PIN here. Alright, so it says remember your PIN, so we're going to enter the PIN. Alright, so the PIN is for the new phone. You can use the same PIN from your other device, or you could just use new PIN, doesn't really matter. I'm going to hit continue or OK. It says enter the PIN again to confirm. I'm going to enter the PIN again. Alright, so we're going to continue. We're going to hit OK. We confirm the PIN twice. Alright, so here you go. So it's just asking you if you want to back up your device data. So this is just standard stuff. You can scroll down, check out the agreements, make sure you accept where accepting needed. Make sure you review the information in case it's doing something you don't want to do. For example, maybe you don't want to send your diagnostic data, so we're going to check that. Install apps, allow phone number verification. Alright, allow scanning. Alright, user location. Alright, backup and data. So let's review all of that and accept. Alright, this is just the AI based stuff. With Gemini you can disable this later, so we're going to hit continue. We're going to say no thanks for now. So it's getting your phone ready. Alright. Alright, so you have your account to sign in. Google services. Pause. Alright, so for security reasons, it's gonna ask you to log in. So we're gonna get more. Alright. Continue. No thanks. Alright, and this is a security measure here. So we're going to sign in with Google. Continue. Alright, make sure you check all of these things. This is basic stuff. Continue. Continue. Alright, with the previous Google screen, make sure that you check the options. If you don't check the options, you'll be in a loop. So make sure that you check the options that says select the options that's needed. Similar to this one. That was the previous screen which I was going around and around. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and accept the terms, the policy, and agree. So I'm going to uncheck that. I'm going to hit agree. Alright, so it's verify your phone number with your Samsung account. So it's just asking you to send in your phone number, and it will ask for the code. I haven't transferred the SIM, but of course if you have the old phone on the other device, it's basically finished with this device. So just wrapping up over here. Alright, and we're going to enter the phone number. Alright, so once you verify, and, you can send the account until you switch your chips over to this phone and transfer, get the verification code, sends you an ID, the account created and connected. I'm going to hit OK. It says Samsung services, and of course these things are on there. Just you're going to choose which theme you want, light or dark. You're going to hit next once you select the dark theme. And here you go, it says excuse me, you're all set up. So you're just gonna go home. All right, so this is the first launch, and of course it will be going through its setup process. And as you can see here, everything is up and running. Notice the stuff is being updated, especially stuff being transferred over from your older device, mainly your settings. And of course the device will start to transfer or finish the transfer process. These will become on grade after a while, but give it a little time. All right, next, just in case you did not or were unable to bring up the transfer screen, it's easy to find. Simply go to your settings in case you do not know where to find it on your device, and you're going to search in the area here that says, let me show you, it's actually here, it says account and backup. Same thing can be done from any device in case you're not in menu on the newer device, and you can do transfer your data or setup here, which is quite easy. There you go. And it shows you want to do it wirelessly, which is the easy, well, send to phone or receive from a phone. So you realize you can easily find the option there to do the transfer, just in case you did not find it on this device over here. So this device is actually now transferred, and once all of these are finished, just give it time for the switch to finish the loading of the apps or whatever it is, and you can clean up when you're finished. Everything should work as always, and your new device should have all the accounts and everything should be working. All right, so I'll end the tutorial here. I do hope this was useful. As always, Ricardo Gardner from Block Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye.